Hello, this is Pim Plunder from Blood Brothers Design. I've been working with Carol for a long time, and she has made a lot of products for me. Carol makes these kind of products. It's a special patch with embroidery on it and digital print. So it's really good to have different printing techniques in the same kind of batch. Here you have a strap keychain they made for me. The PVC keychain, it's always good for promotion, and the lead time is perfect, and the contact with the factory is very nice. They're always thinking with you, and they're really supportive. They're making a lot of cool products. This is what Carol have made over the years for my clients, so I'm very happy with this supplier. These are some patches Carol made for us. All different design, different techniques were used. And what I like the most about this factory is that they strive to
companies cannot make this quality, because what we need in this case is we need really smooth edges with the same color of the batch, and this is what most companies can make, because you always see on the edges the white background, and it should have the same border color like the stitching, and this is what Do Your Labels can make. Really great stuff like this one. But we also made some leather badges like this, embossed leather badge with glue on the backside for heat transfer. Really great product. I will show you also a sample what we